Ma'am, I don't have a comic strip.
You have it?
No, ma'am.
Then you'll create what did you say? You'll What are you doing, Shrikar?
Nothing, ma'am. Motu Patlu.
Doraemon.
Motu Patlu, Doraemon.
Pokemon. Pokemon.
Sahasra, concentrate on the class.
Ma'am,
Naveen, go to
Doraemon.
your class.
Ma'am, Doraemon and Pokemon.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
What-
Doraemon and
Ma'am, Shiva. Motu Patlu. Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, Shiva. Doraemon, Pokemon. Shiva.
Okay, yeah.
no, the best cartoon is Rusty Ribbons and Doraemon only.
Okay, then what you have to do is
Ma'am, Doraemon,
Yeah.
Pokemon.
Okay, I said what you have to do. Listen, first of all, Group A, what is that first one? Create a simple comic strip of your favorite cartoon. What you have to do? You have to create a comic strip. Means suppose you take Doraemon. Doraemon speaking to Nobita. You have to draw their pictures and you have to
Mama, don't have the
some dialogues you have to add.
Ma'am, we have to also draw.
Yeah, you have to draw.
Ma'am, I will not see cartoons, ma'am.
Who is that? Good.
Sahasra,
You will not see cartoons.
what we will make? Ma'am, I see YouTube in my TV. I watch cartoons. Yes, ma'am, I do.
But still try to create a comic strips of your own by seeing in the Google or whatever it is, right? You will find everywhere. Okay, you can search it and you have to create simple comic strip. Three panels they give. They are called panels. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You have to draw the characters. You have to write their dialogues. Right? And see the second one, complete the comic strip on 2 cats and a monkey by adding dialogues. So in second one, they gave everything. Pictures they gave. But only the thing is you have to add dialogues. You know that story? The story is about what is that? 2 cats. One day, 2 cats will find a chapati or roti. Okay? They'll be fighting to share. Okay? Means for that one roti or chapati, both the cats will be fighting. So in between, what comes? A monkey comes to solve the problem of the 2 cats. First, what the monkey will do? It will make the chapati into 2 pieces, right? One piece will be more than the other piece. So what the monkey will do? Whatever the piece has got more, that little bit that monkey will eat off. So so that thinking that both the pieces will be of same size. But after eating little bit of the more percent of chapati, what happens? The one which the monkey has ate becomes less again compared to the other. Now what monkey will do? The other one which is having more, that it will eat. After that what happens? Again one will become more than the other. Like that it goes on eating whatever comes more. Finally it completes the full chapati. Understood? So what is the moral of this story actually? So whenever what is happening to these 2 cats, whatever it is that they would have already, before coming of the monkey, they would have taken the chapati into piece and taken off. But what did they do? They were fighting for that. In between, the monkey came and ate the chapati. That is, if they would have done before only, something would have got for the 2 cats. But what happened now? Nothing. The 2 cats did not get single piece of chapati also. Right? So don't let anybody to come in between you or your friend. Means suppose you 2 cats means suppose you think you and your friend you are fighting, right? If someone joins, don't believe in them. Whatever they say, you don't believe in them. You just go on doing your yourself, right? So you should not let anybody to come in the middle. Is it clear? The story is understood, everyone? Yes. So that is a story about, but what you have to do here is you have to write the dialogues, means what they are talking. Can anybody tell me now? Like, will you try it by seeing the pictures? Ananya, you will try? Yeah, one. Oh, I'll ask first Ananya, then Shanmukha Priya. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me
Ma'am,
Ananya,
I
first
will
picture.
start with the in first picture. The first cat says, "I will eat this roti," and then the second one says, "Yummy," and then in the second picture they both started fighting. The first black cat says that I will eat this. This is mine. And then she says, "No, this is mine," in the second picture. And in the third picture, the monkey comes and he says that I will make it into 2 pieces. You both will eat those. And then in the fourth picture, the monkey is saying, "Oh no, in the first piece of roti, there is much quantity of roti." And then they both, the black cat is saying that, "Okay, you just eat half of those." And then the white cat says, then my piece of roti will also be equal." And then like that only, then the monkey says that, "Oh, again the white cat's piece of roti is being bigger." Then he eats her also half, and like that only happens. So I will write like that.
Yes. Good Ananya. Good, very good, very good. Now who will try again? Shanmukha Priya, where are you? Shanmukha Priya, yeah. Tell ma, what you want to tell. Ananya told. Now you can tell your way of story. Unmute yourself, Shanmukha Priya. Shanmukha Priya, what happened? Any problem, Nana? Yeah, okay. Yashasvi, tell me, ma.
In the first picture, the 2 cats are there.
Okay.
The first white cat said, "Wow, yummy." In the second picture, the art started both fight. "No, I want this. I will eat this. No, I want this. I will eat this." The 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 trees are there. Behind that, the dog is there.
Not dog, monkey.
Monkey saw it, and monkey came, and she told, "I will tear into 2 pieces, you both eat."
Okay.
And in fourth picture, two cats saw the monkey ate the total pieces, and he didn't give to two cats.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Yashasvi, good. Very good. Now, Akshay, tell me, what is your story?
One day, the 2 cats saw a roti.
That
Then-
much big space is not there, Nana. Just to look at the picture and just tell the dialogues. That's all. Not the complete story. Just look at the pictures and tell me the dialogues. What dialogues will be there in that boxes?
Okay, ma'am. One black cat saw a roti. Then white cat came. "No, I want this," they told. "No, I want this," they told. In the second picture, they was fighting. "No,
Yes.
I want, no, I want." The white cat says, "This is mine. I saw first." Then, in the third picture, the monkey came. "I will solve the I will solve the
Problem.
problem.
Yeah.
And in the fourth picture, black cat says, how much time you will take? Then the white cat solved so fastly. Then monkey, okay. Then she did hop off. Then the
Yeah. Yeah. That's it.
monkey hop
Yes.
off and he eats fully.
Yes. Good, Akshat. Anybody still want to try? Yes. Sahasra, you will tell? Tell.
Yes, ma'am. First picture, a black cat says, "Yummy! I will take this and I will eat." And second cat, the white cat said, "No, I will eat this." And next picture, they will fight, and monkey is seeing back on, and she will tell, "Oh, they are fighting. I will go and I will make 2 pieces and give them." Then black cat said, "I will eat this." And white cat said, "I will eat this." And monkey came here and make 2 pieces. And in monkey says in the fourth pictures, monkey says in white cat one half piece is bigger and I will eat this. Then black cat says, "I will eat this." And black cat was big.
Yes. Very
And
good.
again monkey ate.
Yes, Nana. Very good. Very good. So like this, you understood how to write, right? Understood? Shanmukapriya, you'll try? You'll tell? Unmute, Nana. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
You want to tell?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So you have understood? Yes, everybody understood what to write? Show your thumbs if it is okay. Will you write it? The first one and the second one is a homework for you. Will you write and send me? Yes? Very interesting, right? You'll write? Yes, Sahasra, you are saying something?
Ma'am, it's too interesting, ma'am. I love it.
Yes. So for group A, the first one, you have to create your own comic strip, right? That is, you have to write. The second one is already the comic strip is given. Just you have to write the dialogues. Neatly you write, Nana. Don't come out of the boxes. Write small and very neat dialogues. Not big dialogues. Just small dialogues. Okay. So the first and second one are the homework for you. Now take out page number 3. Take out page number 3. Kavish, is it clear?
Okay.
Kavish, is it clear?
Okay.
Now group B, read the comic strip named Benny's Berries. Answer the following questions. So what is that comic strip they gave? Spike, you can have the rest of my berries. G, Benny's sharing. I guess he's learning to be nice. So you are the one who took my berries. So what you have to do? Mention the names of the main characters of the comic strip. What are the main characters of the comic strip here given? Arham, tell me.
Benny and Spike.
And one more is also there.
Yes, it is one bear.
Okay, no. Okay, Spike and Benny, right. Now, what is the second question they are asking? Write one sentence about each character. What will you? What is that? Who will tell? One sentence about each character. So there are 3 characters here actually: Benny, Spike, and G. Spike, you can have the rest of my berries. G, Benny is sharing. I guess he's learning to be nice. So you are the one who took my berries. Did you understood anything here? Sahasra, what happened? Tell me.
Ma'am, here one is eating, ma'am.
Hmm.
Big bear's cookies he took and he gave to white bear.
Hmm.
Then white bear is eating.
Hmm.
So the big bear came and so you are the one who took my berries.
Yeah. Actually,
Then
who took the
he
berries?
shouted,
Actually, who took the berries?
black bear.
That is G.
G.
Yes. Actually, G
Yes,
took the
ma'am.
berries. But what happened? This Benny is. What is Benny's? Yeah.
Benny is eating them. Then
Yeah.
the
Then
big
the big
bear came and
Spike.
Spike came
Yes.
and
Yeah, Spike.
the
The
Spike
Benny
came
was
and
giving to
found
Spike.
Benny.
Benny was giving to Spike. Yes, Ananya, tell me. Tell me.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
in my ICT course book, there are no number of the pages over
Yeah, page
here.
numbers are not there, ma. I have written, means I have written with my pen. You can also write with your pencil starting from the first page. So 1, 2, this is the third page. Like
Okay, ma'am.
you can write yourself. There are no page numbers, so you can write yourself. Now, can anybody write one sentence about each character? Anybody?
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell Ananya.
ma'am, can I see the first question answer?
Yeah, first main characters already told. Second one you can tell one sentence about. So total how many characters are there here?
3.
Yeah, so tell one sentence about each character. Spike, Benny, and G, right? Tell me about Spike.
Spike. Benny gave the berries to Spike, and then Spike said to G that Benny's sharing. I guess he's learning to be nice.
No, actually you have to write about their character. So 3 characters are there, right? By seeing the comic, you might have understood about the characters of the 3, right? So that you have to write. So tell me about Spike. What kind of a character is Spike's? Spike is actually innocent, right?
Yeah.
Yes, Spike is innocent. Then comes Benny. Benny what? Kavish, will you?
Ma'am, then she is the naughtiest girl.
Who? Benny?
Yep.
Yeah, next. What about
Next.
Spike?
Spike, he is a good boy.
Yeah, Bunny is over, Spike is over. Then G. G is a?
G is a bad girl. I mean bad boy.
Okay, you can say we don't know that whether it is male or female. We can just tell it's a.
No, ma'am, it is written he.
G is a girl or a boy?
Ma'am, actually it is written, ma'am. He, it is written. G,
Yeah.
when it's written, I guess he.
Yeah, Benny is a boy only. Okay. G. What about G?
G, I think from his hairstyle,
It is
shall be
also
a boy.
boy only, right? So all the 3 are boys only. So you can write now. I'm writing on the board. Write the answers.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, you can see the screen and everyone. Yeah. Yes. What is this? Group B. You don't write this theme 4. Yeah, first is mention the characters, names of the main characters. Spike, Benny, and G. Right? Now B. Write one sentence about each character. Spike, 3 lines they gave. So in 3 lines you can write Spike, Benny, and G. Very innocent, naughty, and G, very. What you will write for G? Actually, he stole the berries, right? Not the Benny. He stole the berries and he gave to Benny. Benny was sharing to Spike, right? So what is G's character here? We can write Benny sharing. Here you can write for G, very naughty. So the third one, you have to write any other comic book you have read. Name any other comic strip that you have read. Anybody? Name of any one of the comic strip that you have read till now? Means you don't have the habit of reading comic books, right? Story books are different, whereas comic books are different, ma. Story books you'll find just stories, not comics. Yes, tell me, Ananya.
Ma'am, Julie, I have read one comic. In that, I have one character, Julie, and I have one character, Julie.
You have the book now?
Yeah, I think so. I actually have shifted here. In when I was first that time, it was there, but I still remember that one Julie character was there in that.
Okay. So we will write any other comic book. I'll write on the board. You see. Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah. Snoopy, you heard Snoopy?
Yeah.
Yeah, Snoopy is also a kind of comic book.
Yeah, I know that.
Roller Girl. There are so many comic books. You can write Snoopy. So your homework is understood, group A, and here group C also, I think, Nana. Group C, the crossword is there. You can do it, right?